Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Been a while. Figured I'd better get a video up or somebody's gonna get after me. Surprised you guys haven't already. Um, been busy. Steady by jerks, as they say. We've got some Mituria. The Mituria. Finally got transmission parts for this old. Yeah. Troy's got some of it done already. Some of it. These are the clutch packs for in that 3-speed. I know he's got. They had enough of these discs and plates to do a portion of it, and then we're waiting for the rest of the parts because apparently them are getting old and harder to come by. And then we got we got some welding done over here. We got a Perkins engine block. Engine block is done finally. Back cover's wrong for the flywheel seal area. And this one, I don't know when the last video I put up, but this was that smoky one. Big time smoky. And it turns out back here on number 4, the head gasket was right from the water jacket pouring right into that piston, number 4. So it's just a head gasket, but it blew the radiator apart with that, all that extra pressure in that, the compression was going into the, into the water system, cooling system. So the radiator's out, getting done. The head is done. I gotta go pick it up Monday. Gaskets will be in Monday. But today's project is Saturday morning, so this is almost live. I gotta show you what I gotta do today. You've seen me do this before, or work on it before. This is the little NTI boiler that heats my whole shop. And wouldn't you know it, I don't know, a couple weeks ago, I came in here and that whole thing was just a shaking and making noise and acting all weird and stuff. And I've cleaned it before. It's just LP. It really is efficient, but man, it was really, I opened it up, cleaned it. There was a bunch of crap in it, just like in them preheaters that I do. But with LP, it should be just perfectly, very, very little residue of anything in there. I couldn't quite figure it out, so I actually called the furnace people. They came over and they took it apart. And it says, your heat exchanger's cracked and they're not available anymore. That thing was put in 2006. Number one, it was installed wrong for the first 3 years, but we won't get into that. But maybe 4 or 5 years. I think that's what prematurely killed it. But then you get on that thing called a Googler, Internety, and guess what I got? A brand new heat exchanger. It's really no different than a preheater, just a little bit bigger. This is a water jacket. It actually is a pressure vessel. It's a coated vessel, so it's got the Hartford stamp on it, the big H. And so that cost me $1,800 delivered to the door, and they're available. So I was just like, okay, let's get that. I can do the work myself. It comes with a new lid, new top, but it's going to take me probably a good portion of the day to disassemble that, all the piping, plumbing, redo the exhaust, and put her in. So that's what I'm up to today. So hope you guys, and I'll bring you back, I hope, when I'm fired up and it's working, and it should be like brand new. Should last me another 06 to 19, 13 years. It should last me another 13 years, huh? And maybe I can I'll be 63 then. Yeah, I think. Shit, I'm getting old. Sorry, the heck. Anyways, all right, so that's it. I'm going to upload this and hope you guys are doing well. And hey, And Mr. Paydirt, I can't thank you enough for a nice, clean, new hat. He must have saw how grubby I was getting the other one and decided to just send me that. And, here, wait, you guys gotta see this too. We got the J. Paydirt, calendar in the shop. So, thank you, Jeff, and, hope everything is good out in the flatland of Idaho for you. And, all right, thanks again. We'll see you guys.